Hello, what's up everybody? What's going on? These days, Rockstar Game Launcher shows another error. If you just double click on it and try to open it, it says support for Windows 7 and Windows 8 has ended. Please visit the support website. So, how to fix this problem? Let us see. Just close this pop-up, and now another error message appears. Just ignore this, and you can close the pop-up now. So once you close the pop-up, now go to the launcher icon and then right click on it and go to properties, and then go to compatibility tab and make sure that run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. This is turned off, and please make sure that run this program as an administrator. This is turned on. You can turn it off also. So turn this off and see if it's working or not. If you turn this program as administrator off and then hit apply and OK, see if this problem is fixed or not. If not, then turn this on and then hit apply and OK. So once you have done all these things, now you can right click on the game launcher again and go to open file location, and now here you can see this is the launcher pattern that we have just made the changes. If you go to properties and compatibility, now you can see the run these programs, this is off and administrator mode is on. So go to launcher.exe, just right click on it and do the same thing. Go to compatibility tab and turn this off and turn this one on and then hit apply and OK. Do the same for Rockstar service. So let us quickly do these things. Rockstar Steam Helper, do the same thing. Okay, now go to redistributable and then social club and social club setup.exe. We'll do the same for this one also. And now your job is done. You need to do nothing. Go and restart your computer. This is very necessary. Restart your computer once and then see if the Rockstar Game Launcher is opening or not. If not, then you have to go to the settings, then apps from the left menu, and then go to installed apps, and here you have to find the Rockstar Game Launcher. So this is Rockstar Games Launcher, and select this one and uninstall this. Once you uninstall, let us quickly do this thing. Once this is uninstalled successfully, now you can go to your favorite browser and then search there rockstargames.com and visit the website. Here in the upper menu, click on downloads, then scroll down and then select Rockstar Game Launcher. Now go to download for Windows, and if you click on it, download will get started. So I have already downloaded it. So go to the folder and here just double click on the exe file. You don't need to right click or run it as administrator. Just double click and select your language and do the necessary things. Just check this box and then click on continue, and please make sure you select a different drive from the drive where your Windows is installed currently. So I'll select the G drive. As you can see, C drive is where the Windows is currently installed in my computer. So let us select G drive one and then make a new folder. Click on this and then let us put the name of the folder as Rockstar Games. Okay, now click on the blank space at the right side here. Once you click on this blank space, then select the Rockstar Games folder and do OK and then continue. Once the installation is complete, now you can close it and you can restart your computer once again and then see if the problem is fixed or not. If you find any other problem, then please let me know in the comment box. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for staying till the end. See you in the next video.